What's up, guys? So I decided to start vlogging. So this is day one, vlog number one. So we're going to meet up my friend Billy at the Honda dealership. He's dropping off the Jay's grill for paint. Got my daughter with me. So let's head there now. Look at my little cutie. She's like, oh my god. Don't get it dirty, Mila.
I'm tired.
You wanna watch it for a second? I'm here with Billy, dropping off the Jay's grill to get painted. So he's grillless right now. He's the one on the P700 full bolt-on.
What's up?
Who's car this?
One of the Honda boys.
This is the painter Tommy here.
What's up?
Got Cambodian, Laos, Korean.
Yeah. So I was just gonna leave it off because I didn't feel like doing it. I was gonna take it off anyway.
Just run it like that.
I did.
More air. Just trim the bumper.
There you go.
Cool.
The Vim is good. Yeah, I liked it, and then I know I still need to spin the start. I'm gonna leave the mesh the way it is.
Black, right?
No, not black.
You gonna leave it at chicken wire?
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta powder coat it. It's gonna be ugly. I guarantee. I guarantee it's gonna be ugly.
Just get the universal, like Lexus Toyota one.
The grill?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You want like that? I'm not leaving like that.
No, mine's the chicken wire too. Mine powder coated.
Yours is powder coated?
Yeah. This, after like 2 years, that's all I got. That little chip.
Really?
Okay, it's gonna be hard to vlog with this one here. She's pretty crazy. You're getting the grill pink, right?
Yeah, for Barbie.
Yeah.
For the Barbie
theme?
movie.
Well, it depends on the livery. Who knows? But I'm
Yeah.
gonna leave it black, obviously. You should do a livery too.
Well, right now I can't. It won't stick on the ceramic.
Oh.
I can't even put stickers right now.
Buff it out.
I got buff it out, yes, but that's just annoying. I'm like,
Yeah, you might as well leave it.
I'm Mila buckled in now. Let's go eat. This is Tommy the painter's car. He hit some shit. Look at this. He hit somebody. They won't tell us what he hit, so I think he hit somebody. He rides a bike. Like he's still in Cambodia. When we got cars.
Yep. Hey, in case I break down, you know? I come with y'all.
So the black Type R is Aaron, and I call him Roman Pierce, because the shit that he does and says is just like Roman Pierce on Fast and Furious. So I noticed my brakes be like clacking when I come to a slow stop, and I think it's normal because it's the big brake hit doesn't have like the little spring thing to hold the pads in place. So I think it's just very little movement, little clack. I think my buddy told me if I put some anti-seize on the backing of the pad that it'll get rid of the sound. So I might try that, but I mean it doesn't really bother me. Let's see if I can record the sound here. There it goes. It just does a little click. Ooh, gotta hit this angle. Alright. So after Orlando and a hit and run, kind of paranoid parking in parking lots, but not so much lately since I've got the black view cameras in. I mean, it's got the parking mode, so it's going to start recording as soon as I shut the car off. So yeah, I mean, if they hit me, I'll figure out who they are. So I stopped leaving my car on the fuel screen because I don't want to know how bad I've been driving. Let's see how heavy my foot is. 15.2 miles per gallon on half the tank I've driven. I usually get about 20, maybe 18 when I used to drive aggressive, but dang, 15's a new low. Alright, biggest straw, please? Yeah. So yeah, the best thing about this car, I've got 5 cup holders basically. Got 2 back there, 2 here, in this little sliding tray, and then one last one down here. And I highly suggest that you guys put your drinks in that big one down there. And I scoot this up so it doesn't move. Because the last time I had a cup here and I was shifting, since my arm was over to this way to avoid the cup, I almost money shifted third to second. And that would have cost me like $7,000. So yeah, don't do that. When you're driving manual, you always want to make sure that you're shifting properly. So put your drink down there. Don't let it be in the way. So actually, a bunch of guys asked me about like learning how to drive a manual car and how to shift better. So when you're shifting, most guys hold the shifter like this. They go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But when your hand's here and it's in third gear, you want to go to fourth gear, your arm's going to naturally come towards you. So you might accidentally money shift. So when you want to go from third to fourth, honestly, the safest way is to put your hand this way. If you put your hand this way, it's going to go straight down, like exactly vertically down to fourth gear. So what I do is, so let's say I'm in second. If I need to go to third, I push up to third and then down to fourth like this way. So if you get in the habit of doing that, then you're going to have way less misshifts. I mean, it'll happen still, but you know, you got to do what you can to eliminate those mistakes. Now that we're at a stop, I can show you. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get in the habit of doing that and you'll be good. So I'm just on the way back home. Nothing really planned for today. Nothing car related yet. Sometimes a meet will pop up. But other than that, I'm actually just waiting on a little care package from Mackin Industries. If you guys know Mackin Industries, they are the US distributor for Ray's, Advan, Project Mu. So I'll do an unboxing later of the merch, and that might be the end of this video. We'll see. So if you guys have seen my car, you know I'm not really big on stickers. The only real stickers I have actually are on the inside. All right, let me block the sun here. So I've got this Night Runner sticker here. Got my Civic Akira inspired sticker. And then I have this BRID sticker. I stick all my stickers just on the inside right here. So a lot of guys will say BRID, but it's BRID. And in Japanese, it's actually BRID. So in Japanese, when you use katakana to translate like a brand name, like an English brand name, so what happens is the only consonant sound that you can end with that doesn't have a vowel after it, a vowel sound after it actually, is N. So you can say like Mugen, but in the case with BRID, what happens is they have to write BRID-do, like it's a do symbol, but you don't really pronounce the O. So some people say Varus, some say Varus. The actual pronunciation for it in katakana is Barisu. So I guess it'd be more like Varus. Back home now, so let's get the car on the charger. Got the hood open. Take the little cap off. And then plug in the charger. All right, let's see what came in from Mackin. Here's what the T looks like. It's got the FS6. Pretty standard, just Ray's t-shirt. All their t-shirts like really nice quality. The logos are all stitched on, including the back. Yeah, this hat's really nice. And I've got a shirt with a bunch of patches on it, so got this for that. So I was expecting something else in this box, but it wasn't in it, so I just emailed them. Maybe it got mixed up, but hopefully it'll be here next week. That's what happens when you have no sun visor. You got the sun just blasting in your eye. So I'm actually on my way to do a little shoot, make some reels and stuff. All right guys, out here shooting, just doing like some cool shots I guess, since the sun is setting here and it looks real nice over here on this side. So once I get this done, I'll head home and edit it together. for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the very first vlog I've ever made. So subscribe and like and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you think.